Cupra. She can transform. This is Wolfram. He can light up. This is Hydrogenio. He can fly. This is Argentum. She can become a mirror. This is Ferrum. He's very strong.
He's leaving. Get ready.
Go! You're up!
Just a little more. Come on, you can do it. Yes, it did.
It worked! Now you!
Wolfie, no.
What? Why not? I thought we wanted to find out what was behind this door.
I've changed my mind about this idea of yours.
Idea of ours. I came up with it, but we decided together.
We decided wrong. We're not allowed to go in there. The professor locks this door for a reason, to keep us out. Don't you want to know what's in there?
We'll just take a peek and come right back out.
A peek?
Sure.
Sure, nothing will go wrong.
Just a quick peek.
Oh, look at that! What's up there?
Amazing! I'll check it out.
Fido, we want to see too. It's not fair.
Okay then, we'll go together.
Wow! Oh my!
Oh my!
A real Mendeleev land.
Now I see why we weren't allowed to come in here. The professor wanted to have fun on these rides all by himself.
Let's go!
Stop the ride! Stop it now!
Don't feel so good!
It's awesome! Come on! Faster! Oh, faster!
I can't take it anymore!
Oh, kids, what have you done?
Why did you make it stop? We were just starting to pick up speed.
Don't listen to him. You saved us.
Oh, kids, what have you done?
It was all Wolfie's idea. It was my idea.
It was not. It was my idea. No, it was mine.
No, mine.
The idea was ours. I came up with it, but we decided together.
Well, you got your punishment already. You came up against a very dangerous force.
What kind of force?
There are many forces in nature that influence everything. Like the force of gravity, for instance. All objects are pulled towards the Earth. If you throw an apple up in the air, the apple will drop. But if you put the apple in a bucket and spin the bucket around, the apple will not drop. Because centrifugal force will keep it from dropping. This force will even keep water from spilling out onto the ground.
Wow! Look at that!
Amazing! That's incredible.
Now, let's go. I'll show you another amusing place in our laboratory.
Wow!
Look at that!
So cool. What a curious place.
What's it for?
Here I study centrifugal force. And really, I quite enjoy being in a spinning room. Let's make it spin faster to make it more fun.